Hello, welcome guys. On our today's session, it's about linking your broker to your mt5, right? Like last time I showed you how to open an account with your broker, how to deposit and all this, right? So this is for just demo testing, showing you how to link your account, your broker to your mt5. So like me, I have the app octafx. You can download the app and log in. So after login, on the bottom there's accounts, right? This account, there's real account, there's demo account. So when you have this, you can click on this plus icon near to my battery, right? You can click on the plus icon, swipe to the right, octafx mt5, right? Click on configure, click on demo or real, anyone you want. But for this one, I'm just for testing purpose, I'm using the demo account. So for your demo account, you can put the balance you want your demo account to have, maybe 500 million, anything you want for your demo account. Then click on open demo account. You can adjust your leverage also, right? So that's where you get your login details. So here's the server, your logins and your password. So you head to your mt5. When you head to your mt5, you click on the plus icon to add your account. You will see this place. You will search for octafx. You will see Octa Market Incorporated, right? When you click on that, you're going to type this in 2120 56 190. You see 2120 56 190, something like that, right? If I'm correct. Yep. Then copy your password. Then click on paste. Then login. That's how you log into your mt5 from your broker. So when you enter this place, the middle one is trade, to the left is your chart, and the bottom one, like the last one, the quotes, is where you get the markets. That's where you get the markets. This is chart, where you see the like the candlestick, the movement of the market. That's where the movement of the market is. This one is your current trades, your open trades and your close trades, like your running trades. That's where you see it. And for history, it's the trade that you have closed, right? So let's test something out. For instance, I went to my quotes. That's where I get the market, right? Then I head over to Euro USD, the market I want to trade. I can click on it and click on trade. So we have different type of market orders. There's buy limit, there's sell limit, there's limit entry, market execution. So I think I need to make a video separately on that, but briefly let me give you this thing. So for instance, this is Euro USD, there's time frame and all these things. To the top left corner you see M15, right? That's where time frame is. You can change to the 1 hour, 4 hours and all these things. On our technical analysis part, I will show you all about that. But for this one, just take it like try to know them, where you can find all these things, right? Then use it afterwards when you head over to your technical analysis part. So like this now, let's say the market is here, like the market is currently here, right? And when the market reaches this place, you want to sell the market, like you expect from here the market will drop, right? So you will set your limit, sell limit. So when the market comes to this place, you want to sell it. And after this, okay, that's for a sell limit. And for buy limit, if you want, like when the market drops to this zone, lower price, you want to buy it. So you set buy limit. So when you set buy limit, whether you are sleeping or you are awake, whether you have active internet connection or you have deleted the application, the buy limit will execute. That's for the buy limit and sell limit, right? So when I click on trade, I have the buy limit. You will put your value here. For the price, you will need to put the value you want to put. For the buy limit, it must be below the current market price. Yeah, and for the sell limit, it must be above the current market price. And we have the buy stop and sell stop, right? So for buy stop, let's say from here you put your buy stop here. So you expect when the market comes to that your zone to sell, like, what am I talking about? Buy stop, it must be above the market price. So when the market, like when the price goes to that particular zone, you want a buy order to be opened, and after that you expect the market to go up, right? Like it should meet you at the top before going up. And for a sell limit also and the sell stop also, here's the current market price, and you expect when the market drops to this one, for instance, then the market to continue dropping downwards. That's for sell stop. You will try to understand it later on because you don't know all this about technical analysis, so it will be somehow a little bit hard for you. Okay, trade. We have the market execution. You want to buy the market instantly or sell it. So like this now, I can just, okay, we have the lot size. That's the contract size you want to purchase with. So we have the one lot size, which is standard lot size. We have 0.1. This is a micro lot size. And we have the 0.1. We have the micro, like macro and micro. That's the lot size you have. So 0.01, it is the minimum of order you can open trade with. Okay, so I think each dollar, like each movement is 10 cents, each pip is 10 cents. And for the micro, which is 0.1, each pip is $1. And for one, each movement is $10. Each pip movement is $1. It's $10, right? I will tell you about the pip and other ones. So let's go with 0.01, and I expect the market to go up, right? Buy. Okay, I've already bought this market. Okay, that's how the market is moving currently. You can see, right? If you see this red, that means I'm currently in loss, and that's actually for spread. And you can see my balance is $50. My equity is 49.86, which is balance plus your current open trades. That's your equity. Then the margin and your free margin, etc. So for instance, you need to check some market and you cannot get it. You can simply click on this search option and search for it. Let's say gold is not here. XAUSD is gold spot. You can just simply add it, and you can scroll down and you can get your gold here, right? Then you can click on trade, then trade the gold market, buy or sell. That's how the mt5 works. And if you want to close trades, you can simply swipe on this thing from right to the left side. Well, you see this orange one. Yeah, when you click that, you will see this close, this in orange. That's to close the market. And we have the take profit and stop loss. You can modify it from here. Come here, click on this pencil icon, put your stop loss, in which when the market reaches that zone, like in loss, you don't want to make another loss. Let's say when the market goes, I think zero, like for instance, when the market drops to -$1, you want the order to be closed. You don't want to take more losses. So from that zone, you will just calculate and put your zone to do that. And for your take profit, you need, like for instance, if you make $5, you are okay. You don't want to be greedy. Like $5 is okay for you. You want to take your profits. That simple is. Then put it. Then click on modify to put your stop loss and take profit. I don't think there's anything necessary for you guys to know here. So the rest will be all on technical analysis part. Yeah, for instance, let me close this thing. I'll just simply do like this, click on close, and -0.6. Yeah, you see this is my close orders. Okay, yeah, that's it. If you want to delete, you can simply click on this pencil icon, click on the market you don't want, and click on the trash icon. That's it. Okay. Then anything else will be dropped later on our next class then.